Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what percentage of vaccine production will manufacturers have to allocate to the WHO under the new treaty? A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 20%, D. 25%. The correct answer is option B. 10%. Manufacturers will be required to allocate 10% of their production of vaccines, therapeutics, and diagnostics to the WHO under the new treaty. Next question is, what disease's prevalence is linked to the genetic makeup of the Indian population as highlighted by GIP? A. Cancer, B. Diabetes, C. Malaria, D. Tuberculosis. The correct answer is option B. Diabetes. The widespread prevalence of diabetes in the Indian population is likely linked to the genetic makeup of the population. Next question is, who did 𝗕cie𝘂𝗂𝗀𝗲 recommend as his successor? A. Justice Manohar Lal, B. Justice B.R. Gavai, C. Justice Sandeep Mehta, D. Justice Vikram Nath. The correct answer is option B. Justice B.R. Gavai. Chief Justice of India, CJI, Sanjeev Khanna, recommended Justice B.R. Gavai as his successor. This recommendation follows the constitutional process for the appointment of the next Chief Justice of India. Next question is, where is the India-Uzbekistan joint military exercise DUSTLIK-VI being held? A. Ond, Pune, B. Termes District, C. New Delhi, D. Mumbai. The correct answer is option A. Ond, Pune. The 6th edition of the India-Uzbekistan joint military exercise DUSTLIK-VI began on April 10, 2025 at the Foreign Training Node in Ond, Pune. Next question is, what is the official name of World Heritage Day? A. International Day for Monuments and Sites, B. Global Heritage Day, C. UNESCO World Heritage Day, D. International Heritage Protection Day. The correct answer is option A. International Day for Monuments and Sites. Officially known as the International Day for Monuments and Sites, World Heritage Day is a global celebration of the cultural and natural landmarks that tell the story of humanity. Next question is, for the first time, Indian Railways has introduced an ATM Inside A Train. A. Mumbai-Delhi Rajdhani Express, B. Mumbai-Chennai Duronto Express, C. Mumbai-Manmad-Panchvati Express, D. Kolkata-Patna-Havda Express. The correct answer is option C. Mumbai-Manmad-Panchvati Express. For the first time, Indian Railways has introduced an ATM Inside A Train, allowing passengers on the Mumbai-Manmad-Panchvati Express to withdraw cash during their journey. Next question is, which of the following is not one of the institutional partners of the Ecological Restoration Alliance India, ERAI? A. Auroville Botanical Gardens, B. Ashoka Trust for Research in Ecology and the Environment, C. Nature Conservation Foundation, D. Indian Institute of Technology. The correct answer is option D. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT. ERAI's partners include Auroville Botanical Gardens, Ashoka Trust for Research in Ecology and the Environment, and the Nature Conservation Foundation, NCF. But IIT is not mentioned as a partner in this initiative. Next question is, what is the name of the neurotoxin released by the algal bloom that affects sea lions? A. DDT, B. ciguattoxin, C. Domoic Acid, D. Mercury. The correct answer is option C. Domoic Acid. Domoic acid is the marine neurotoxin secreted by the algae Pseudonytskia and is responsible for the aggression and brain damage in sea lions. Next question is, who remained India's largest trading partner for the 4th consecutive year in 2024 to 2025? A. China, B. United States, C. UAE, D. Japan. The correct answer is option B. United States. The US remained India's largest trading partner for the 4th consecutive year in 2024 to 2025, with bilateral trade valued at $131.84 billion. Last question is, what is the altitude at which the Biomass mission satellite will be placed in orbit? A. 500 kilometers, B. 600 kilometers, C. 666 kilometers, D. 800 kilometers. The correct answer is option C. 666 kilometers. The satellite will be placed in a sun-synchronous orbit at an altitude of approximately 666 kilometers. Now it's time for practice question. Which famous atmospheric river transports moisture from the tropical Pacific around Hawaii to the US and Canadian West Coasts? A. The Hurricane Express. B. The Pineapple Express. C. The Arctic Surge. Orient. D. The Tropical Stream. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.